Hey, thank you for tuning into my channel. I am bringing you my next stitch fix. Here's the box unopened. Let's open it up. Alright. Stuff that comes with it. Oops. Okay. Stuff that comes with it. I saved this for last. Okay. Figure out where I'm going to stick this stuff while I open it. I'll be sitting right here in the box. You know what? I got extras this time. I don't remember. I guess I asked for an extra. Yeah, because I need these a little bit shorter than the last pair that I got. It is a skirt, navy. A pair of white jean-like pants. Kind of like khakis. Maylee Capri pants. I asked for some white leggings or pants, not jeans. We'll try these on and see how they fit. They're capris. Nice little cute strappy black Cami. Another Cami, but this is like, oh, it's very cute in the front. It's very cute. But the thing about this is, it's velour. Velvet. Yeah, velvet, not velour. Same difference to me. Don't know if I really need this now. And another cute. Very cute. Let's see what this has. What this can tell what this has going on. A little tie right here. Over the shoulder. Alright, well, we'll get a better look at this once I get it on. Alright, let's do a quick try on. Here's this skirt. It's a pull on. It's navy in color. It's a thick material. There is my back. Kind of cute. It's okay. Nice fit. Got a little split. Alright. Here are the white capris. They're nice and stretchy. I'm not a big fan of white pants, but I would like to have a good pair of white pants. These are more casual, which is good. They're cute. They're nice. They're stretchy. I don't like that I can see the pockets through the pants. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but you can see the pockets. These aren't real pockets, of course. So, they seem to fit me like capris should fit, where they hit here. So, yeah, they're comfortable. They're comfortable. They might be a keeper, of course. We have to check the price. Then we will decide if they're keepers or not. Here is the velvet cami. I'm not feeling this too tough. It's cute, but I don't know. This is the lining on the inside that hangs. It's supposed to hang lower. Yeah, so I don't know. I think if this was a different material, I'm not liking the way this wrinkles up here, and the fit is a little. See, this is too baggy, too saggy, too something. Even adjusting the straps, this one is not a keeper. This top right here is so freaking cute. It's really cute. So it has a inner like tank that's connected right here, and it's just so cute because it's different. It ties right here in the back. Real tie. Okay. This is like this, and then the back comes down, give you some coverage. So it would look cute with just about any kind of pants you wanted to wear with it, whether they were jeans, leggings. So, and this is a cream color. It's next to the white. So I would not wear these two together. Because this is cream and this is white. So I really like this one. Alright, this is a keeper. Unless it's like $400. It's not going to be $400. This is Stitch Fix, but I don't think it's going to be $400. Here is the black cami. Not a big fan of this. I don't like how in the middle it's up right here and low here. And here's the back. So I adjusted this strap here to fit a little better. It was pretty tedious because it has a little teeny. So trying to get this in pull is a nuisance. And then I think this is one of them tops where after you wash it a couple times, this becomes kind of twisty, like, you know. Yeah, this isn't, but, you know, here's a good look at it. There's a little V coming up here. This hangs low. It's just, to me, it's odd. I don't know, it's just something odd about it. I don't know, it's got too much going on here. I mean, it's one thing for it to be up high in the front and then low in the back, but then it's split up here, then it's down here, then it's up here. So, yeah, it's a little too much going on for me. Alright, now it's time to go over pricing. This is fix number 28. I will put all the item names and prices down the bottom. Okay. The top that I really like, which is this cream colored one. This is the Clearwater mixed material blouse. We're gonna, pretty sure I'm keeping that one. That one is $58. The Hollen Crossfront blouse, which is this one, is pink Clover, Hollen Crossfront blouse. That's $28, which isn't a bad price. I'm just not keeping that one. The skirt is the Christiana skirt. $68. Stitch Fix, I'm not happy so far. The Fiona, this is called the Fiona Scallop Detail Velvet Cami in color light pink. This is $58. And the Maylee Capri Pant, which that was the white pants. That is $68. Okay, so my subtotal is $280. But by all, I get a 25% discount, which is $70. I'm on the $49 plan. So my order subtotal is $308 because it has the $28 extra included. So my order total, which only comes off of the 5 items that I purchased with the 25% off, would be $238. Is that right? No, it would be $210. So, because they have it added in here with the, I don't know. So, my total would actually be $210 if I don't keep the extra. Not one of my favorite fixes. Please let me know what you think. I really like that cream colored blouse with the tie in the back, and I really like that one. I could get a lot of usage out of that one. So $58. How much did I say it was? Gracious. Clearwater mixed material blouse. That one is, yep, $58. So now the white pants, $68. I don't think I'm going to keep those because I didn't like how they started to get like saggy in the knees. Do you know what I mean? Like the material started to get bunchy around the knee area. So to me, when I see something like that, it says inexpensive, or it just, the quality of it is not what I would like if I'm going to invest. With white pants, you really got to invest in white pants, because if you get inexpensive ones, they will look it. All you need is one good pair. Just, you know, pay a few extra dollars for that. So I think I'm going to keep on the lookout for some, and those will have to go back. Thank you for watching. As always, please let me know what you think. I hope I remember to say everything, but I'll put all the item names and prices and sizes that they came in. I don't know if you even care about that part, but I'll put that down there just in case you do. And thank you. Subscribe if you would like. I would love it if you did. So see you next fix. This was number 28. Let's see how 29 goes. Thanks. Bye. You know what I forgot? I forgot to read you the note from my stylist. My stylist is Courtney S. She's the one I've always had. I adore her. She usually does pretty good. I just didn't want to pay this much right now and some of these items to me are really overpriced. Hi Tia. Thank you so much for letting me know that you would love to see some camis and white pants in your fix today. It was so helpful when picking your springtime styles today, and I hope that your fix has you feeling sensational for spring. Since you mentioned that you were looking for some white pants today, I opted for these Margaret and Spruce cropped pants that are perfect to highlight your favorite warm weather wedges, and the pink Clover cami to feel the sunshine on your shoulders as the weather warms up. Add a pop of floral to your closet with this Margaret M skirt. Wear now with a sweater and tall boots on a chilly March morning, and then transition to spring with the blush Daniel Rainn cami. I can't wait to hear what you think of your new styles. XX Courtney S. So, you know, I didn't make mention of the skirt. I do like the Christiana skirt. That was $68, but yeah, I don't want to pay $68 right now. The least expensive item was the Clover Hollen Crossfront blouse, which was the cami, that velvet cami. But that was $28, and I didn't like that. So please let me know what you think I should keep, what I should send back. I've kind of made up my mind already to keep the cream colored blouse, and that's it. But if you think there was something else that was nice, let me know. Okay.